Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the Kenya, we make.
Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna see what a stock Scatpack charger makes on the Dyno. I'm out here at Dark Knight Specialties over here in Houston, Texas. If you guys haven't seen my video where I got a Dyno, this is where I was at. I'm back over here today, but this time we're gonna look at a charger Scatpack. This thing is stock. If you guys are shopping for chargers, especially the Scatpacks, you guys are gonna watch this video and know exactly how much they make bone stock. It should be a very interesting video. Stay tuned. Let's go. What have you got done to it real quick?
It's stock.
Stock? Not even exhaust work?
Just exhaust, really. Muffler, resonator delete.
Resonator delete?
Muffler and resonator delete.
Alright guys, here it is. This thing looks pretty good. He has a US flag sticker right there. Just some little cosmetic stuff. He has a wicker bill. I see you got the red little stickers right there on the diffuser. So yeah, it should be a pretty interesting video, guys. Stay tuned. Right now they're strapping the car down. We'll be ready to go in no time. Oh yeah, that's his IG right there. Look him up, give him a follow. He's in the car crew that I'm in, Underground Nation. So pretty much the only mod the car has, he has a muffler delete and a resonator delete. But other than that, it's pretty much stock. They just turned it on right now. They're gonna get ready to run it. .34 horsepower, 442 foot-pounds of torque. Man, that thing is making pretty good power, man. Oh yeah! 911 horsepower.
What the fuck are you doing? I can't select it. We're doing that. We're doing that. Hey, we'll take that. Hey, you better tell him. You better watch out. I'm scared as shit, bro.
Alright guys, so it's on SAE Smoothing 5. You guys see that? So that's the legit numbers right there, guys. SAE Smoothing 5. made a little less, guys. 430, 439 foot-pounds of torque. But that one definitely revved out a little higher. As the car's getting warmer, what's up? As the car's getting warmer, the power went down just a little bit, but it's alright. That's still pretty healthy Scatpack, 434. Damn. What you think about that, man?
Sounds good.
Yeah. All right, guys. So I gotta talk to you guys about this. That Scatpack made 434 horsepower and 442 foot-pounds of torque. So that thing is a monster for being stock. Basically, the only thing he has, took off the resonators and he took off the mufflers, and you get 434 horsepower. That's pretty amazing. Considering from the motor, it's supposed to be 485. So that's very, very good, guys. That's basically like 50 horsepower loss from the motor to the wheels. So very, very efficient on the transmission side. So looking at that number, guys, right there, really the chargers, the only thing that brings them down, to be honest, is the weight. So like a stock 2019 Mustang GT, for example, is 3,700 pounds, and for like a Charger 392 is about 4,400 pounds, guys. So that's a 700-pound difference between a Charger and a Mustang. So that's mainly why stock for stock, the Mustang will win. It's just the weight difference. Dodge really needs to work on, kind of figuring out how to make the Chargers lighter, also the Challengers, so that, the competition can be even and fair. But as you guys saw, that thing pulled really hard, and I'm very impressed by how hard that pulled. It was actually pretty loud for, stock headers, stock cats. Only thing is resonators and mufflers are off. It was pretty loud. But I know you guys enjoyed that video. If you're a Mopar fan, a lot of people love Mopars. You guys know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. I'm almost to 1K subscribers. I'm very, very excited, man. But go ahead and help me out with that. As always, I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.